This is what Zipline says is the fastest drone in the world, designed to drop life-saving medical supplies at hard-to-reach hospitals. It says its new, second-generation, modular, plane-like drone not only enables speedy deliveries, but can be built and rebuilt in minutes, making it tough and durable. Zipline is catapulting its latest creations into the sky from a base in Northern California for some final tests. But over the last year and a half, it's designed and proven the concept of a drone distribution system for essential medical products like rare medicines and blood for transfusions. And it's built an entire national network in Rwanda, dropping life-saving parcels at remote medical centres, which can be completely cut off by road in the rainy season.
At this point, Zipline has flown about 300,000 fully autonomous and commercial kilometers, delivering 7,000 units of blood across more than 4,000 commercial deliveries.
Zipline's rolling out version 2 of its aircraft and ground station. Everything here is redesigned, from the planes themselves to the chargers. And when the drone comes back to base, it's plucked from the sky by a new landing mechanism which stretches a nylon cord 30 feet in the air and whips it up like a jump rope to catch the hook on the tail of the plane and then rapidly reel it in. Now, with the FAA on the verge of allowing US testing of drone deliveries, Zipline's hoping to start operations closer to home. It's eyeing a site in northern Nevada, from which it could reach 40 hospitals with ultra-rapid deliveries of blood, antivenom, or rare medications.
What we're doing today is basically high-volume testing of the new aircraft and new distribution center that Zipline has built, which is going to enable us to basically bring the service that we've been providing at national scale in Rwanda over the last year to many more countries over the coming years.
Working in extreme environments means the aircraft have to be robust, resilient, and repairable. The body of the plane's made from expanded foam, like a cooler. But the clever part is the construction. It's now totally modular with just 3 fasteners, down from dozens, and new, quieter motors. Anyone should be able to build and fly one of Zipline's drones with very little instruction. Even me.
One hand up on the tail boom.
I can lift this whole thing?
Yeah,
Oh,
super
yeah.
light.
Super light.
Yeah, and just walk it right over here.
Okay.
The plane needs wings, which are removable and exchangeable if damaged. First, I just clip those in.
And you're going to want to take those 2 metal grooves here and here and just gently set them into these white channels.
The heaviest component is the battery pack, which has been sat on a smart charger and which also contains memory cards with the maps the drone will need for autonomous flight. That goes in the nose. The precious cargo is already boxed up in a simple cardboard crate with a primitive but effective paper parachute. I just push it into the belly of the plane against the elastic straps that will eject it.
So it's going to obviously be under a fair bit of tension while it's flying, and then that helps eject the package and make sure we're clear of all the bottom of the aircraft once it goes.
Every step is designed to be as simple as possible. The pre-flight checks of the moving control surfaces are done with a magic wand, aka a smartphone, and QR codes. Then it's time to launch.
Launching Zipline 138.
There you go.
Retrieving the package means waiting in a nearby grassy field for the drone to come into sight and then release its precious cargo before soaring back to base.
So this is 138, the aircraft we just built and launched. It just dropped its package here.
In the real world, the planes can fly round-trip missions of 100 miles and drop a package in the area taken up by a couple of parking spaces.
One of the weirdest results of what we're doing today is that people in the US still think that this technology is basically, impossible or not ready for prime time. And in fact, then the doctors and nurses who we serve in Rwanda at this point think it's totally old hat, and they just rely on it day in and day out.
While a lot of companies are currently experimenting with drone deliveries for everything from online purchases to hamburgers and beer, Zipline is proving that it's not only possible on a nationwide level, but also practical.